Welcome to today's class. I hope you all had a chance to revise. I hope some of the concepts have gotten clearer. We'll be doing a few more questions today as far as income and deductions and adjustments are concerned. And in the coming Saturday's class, we'll complete our entire Reg 1. So the next session, I would like to take up full-fledged questions which will have tax credit and most likely tax calculations as well. So I'll start sharing my screen. Let's get into it. Let's do the question bank. Let's revise a few more concepts. So this is our first question for the day. Jenny and Anne Parcell paid the following expenses during the year. This area is specifically related to what we've done, only the interest part of our itemized deductions. Interest on automobile loan, $1,500. Interest on bank loans, proceeds were used to purchase municipal bonds, $5,000. Interest on home mortgage for period of 1st January to 29th of June of year 9. We're talking about year 9 only, $1,800. And penalty payment for prepayment of home mortgage on June 29, year 9. What is the maximum amount that parcels can utilize as interest expense in calculating itemized deductions for the year 9? So here you have kind of two concepts being tested. First is what was included in our tax interest incomes, taxable ones, and then what interest expenses are allowed. So I'm starting the poll. Yeah, the poll has been launched. So in the interest, here you have to only see, okay, so first part is fairly clearer. We all have done it several times, that municipal bonds are not included in our taxable income. So any expense paid on that is not allowed. Ye chala gaya. Then you have interest on automobile loans. Then if you remember your interest part we did in class, if you've had a chance to go through the book, right at the end, it says car loans for any other automobile. If there is a loan taken, the interest is not allowed as an expense. It's personal in nature, and hence interest expenses are not allowed. So mota moti interest expenses allowed उन bonds पे होते हैं जहाँ पे taxable income बनती या home mortgage के केस पे. Deductions के केस में we'll take home mortgage, और अगर ये वाली proceeds किसी ऐसे bond के लिए होती जिसकी taxable income हो रही है, in that case proceeds में से पहले interest deduct होता. So we'll include 1,800 and 1,200. So the correct answer is 3,000. During the current year, Adler had the following cash receipts: wages, interest income from investment in municipal bonds. I think abhi question 1 se sabko aana chahiye. And unemployment compensation, $1,500. What is the total amount that must be included in gross income on Adler's current year's income tax return? I'll launch the poll. So I'm glad I have 100% polling this time. Thank you so much. And let's discuss. So, and half of you have gotten it right. So congrats. Interest income from investments in municipal bonds, tax-free hai, include nahi hogi. So that's clear. Unemployment compensation is included in our income. Why? Because unemployment could have been कि wages ये हो सकती है कि 6 महीने की हो या 8 महीने की हो. बाकी टाइम जो बेरोजगारी का था उसके लिए एक कॉम्पनसेशन सरकार की तरफ से या किसी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट प्लान के थ्रू मिली थी, which is in a sense to compensate for the loss of income. The correct answer is 19,500. About 50% of you have it right. I think the unemployment compensation was the only tricky bit, and hopefully they should clear this concept for the rest of the classes.